number 6. Tapos number 21. Number 6, dadala ng bola. Pinasa. Number 77, Denise Chelsea. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Number 14, dadala ng bola. Pinasa. Number 30, sayang. Number 21. Pass. So number 6. Number 6. Pass. So number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 77. Number 24 again. 3. 2-0. Number 30. Pass to number 7. Number 21. Number 21. Tumatakbo. Grabe naman sa layup yun. 3-0. Grabe, tracking ang depensa ng mga ito. Tracking. Wolford press, grabe, number 7. Number 14. Number 14, pass to number 18. Number 17, 7.
Kuis, nakuha mo yung jersey?
77, nadala ng bola, 77.
Next year, next 4 parts siguro po. 0-3. Labang ng defensive team. Tama?
Number 6. Pass to number 24.
Labang sila Boss Warren na 3.
Number 7.
Number 1. Number 6. Number 30. Stolen. Number 30. Dream the ball. Setting up the play. Looking for someone. Pull up the ball. No good.
Naka-recover ka na agad,
There's a foul.
Uncle Jam, ano sabi mo? Number 30, pass number 18.
Number 18. Pump fake by number 30. Pull up, perimeter shot. No good. Number 21. Back to Warren. What a transition for the offensive team. Easy 2 points by Warren Peña, Florida. JP sa kanya pa rin. But there's a foul. JP, kailangan maka 1,000 calorie ka ngayong araw.
Travis number 21.
Number 21, stolen for easy layup by number 21. Number 18, dribbling the ball. There's a defensive play by number 6. Number 14, quick step. But there's number 1 rejected. But open opportunity, yes sir, for wide open 3. Number 77, back to number 6. Short, no good.
Uy! Ano yun? Kalma, kalma.
Whoever wins the game will advance to finals. Number 24, no good.
Number 81. 81. Agkawi. Pass to number 7. Kai Zongo. Pass to number 30. Chike Curry. Number 18. 30. Number 21.
Number 21. Back to number 1. Number 1. What a move by number 1. Number 18, back to number 30. Number 30, dribbling the ball, setting up the play. Kapalisot, teardrop, no good. Number 1. Warren for open 2, no good. Number 18, recovers the ball. Number 18, sumalaksak si number 18. No good by number 18.
Tambawian nyo kanina, no? 3, kabila.
Boss Eli kasi, nag-3 eh. Nice game, Boss Eli.
Grabe
Grabe si Boss Eli, sunod-sunod yung 3 points, no? 6-4.
6-4.
14 minutes. Time remaining, 14 minutes. Number 18. Number 18, Zamora. Leaving the ball. Back to number 7. Number 7. Inside. No good. Number 21. Bounce pass. Block. Rejected by number 30. Number 30. Open 3. No good. Number 40 recovers the ball. Good.
Bakit di mo inawakan? Wow! Grabe yung sa galawan yun.
Four seven.
Number 1, rejected again. Number 14. Zamora. Pass to.
Number 14 for 3. Yes, sir. By number 14.
Grabe naman yun.
May ano na ano.
7-6. Oh. JP recovers the ball. Number 3. Number 3 dribbling the ball. Number 30. There's number 6. Number 24. Number 24 back to number 6. Number 6 pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound by Wyan. Turnaround shot. No good. Number 18. Number 18. Nagmamatay si Zamora. Zamora. Open opportunity. Tira ko to. No good. Doncic recovers the ball. Doncic nagdadala ng bola. Number 77. Number 77. Back to number 6. Another open opportunity. Yes, sir. For another try. There's a successful one. Number 81. JP. There's a foul by number 21. 6-8 in favor of Tropang Dasma. Tropang teams. Number 30, konti na lang. Nagpapainit pa si number 30. Number 6. Wow, what a change pace by number 6. Number 21 dribbling the ball, sizing off. Back to number 1, number 1. Yes, sir. Pero there's a foul. Let's go. Kaya, no good. 8-6. Sayang naman. Number 77. Looking for someone to pass. Open opportunity. Pull-up jumper again. Same spot. No good. Number 18. Number 18. 18. Dinawa na si number 18. Number 18. Number 18. 18, diretso. Back to number 7. Short. Number 14. Reverse layup. No good. Recover ni JP. Kanila pa rin. Grabe sa sipak naman ito. Number 14. Yes. No. Kanila pa rin. Kanila pa rin. Grabe naman yung team na to. Number 14. Finally, no good pa rin. Recover ni Boss Warren. There's the easy 2 transition. Oh, there's a foul.
Dalawang tore nagbanggaan.
Grabe naman to. Sipak nila JP. JP, anong kinain nyo tonight? Grabe yung team mo sa offensive rebound. Ang tindi. Number 77. Back to number 21. Number 21 tries to open 3, no good. Number 21 again. Number 21. Tumit is coming. Turn around. Drop pass, no good. Warren. Pull-up jumper. Yes, sir. By Warren Peña Flores.
Grabe sa mga Gorgios.
Number 18. No good by number 18. Number 21. Sabi ni Warren, pasa nyo. Open ako. Ayan na. Open 3. No good. Number 1. Number 7 pala. Kinuha. Ni number 18. Tama ba? 18. Nasaan yung salamin ko? Hindi ko na makita. Please be ready. Game 1 and Game 2 loser. Please be ready. Game 1, Game 2 loser. Please be ready. Time remaining. Last 8 minutes. Number 14. 4-3. No good. Number 14. Back to number 30. Number 30. Back to number 40. Stolen to number 6. What a transition defense. Number 6. Oh my goodness! Sobrang sarap na galaw, sayang. Sayang naman, but there's a foul. Nakalusot eh. Highlight na sana. Kitang-kita eh. Ganda ng pagka-outside step. Number 77. Number 6, back to number 1. Nadulas ang bola, sayang. Open opportunity. Oh, inalod! Sayang naman. 9-6, lamang sila Warren. Warren, open opportunity. Yes, sir. Change score po tayo. Score po natin, 10-6. Score po natin, 10-6. Lamang sila Vince Peña, Florida. Number 30, open opportunity, yes sir! By number 30, kanina pa to eh. Huli na naman ni number 30, what a back-to-back play with number 30. Number 30, back to number 7. Open opportunity, another 3. Ang bilis. Tabla na po ang laban. Number 21, back to Warren. Warren, pull-up jumper, bantayan niyo yun. Titirahan talaga kayo doon. Easy 2 for Warren Peña, Florida. Number 30, side step. Lamang ng isa ang pupunan ng Peña, Florida.
Naimik si Paolo.
Tama ba? Peña, Florida. Number 2. Sayang, derecho. Okay. Outside. Bola nila Peña, Florida. Number 21. What offensive rebound by number 6, but it's no good. Number 14, no good. Sayang, number 14. Diretso si Vince. Good. Okay. Time remaining, last 5 minutes. 11-10. Time remaining, last 5 minutes. Number 6, inside pass, tiro mo daw yan, spot mo yan. No good by number 6. Number 30, diretso. Grabe sa galaw, si number 30. All 11. Side step! Oh! Vince, kita-kita ko na naman yung signature move mo. Nice one. 12-11. Number 6, teardrop jumper, no good. Kanya pa rin, number 6, but there's a foul.
Yeah.
Time remaining. Last 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
Time remaining. Last 4 minutes. Number 21. Rejected by number 7. Time remaining. Last 4 minutes. Time remaining. What a play by number 6. Tatlo na po ang laban. Number 30. What a spark good by number 30. All.
Kinakabahan, pre.
All 12. Inside pass, what a play! What a play! Sobrang gandang play. 13-12. Last 3 minutes. Last 3 minutes. Vince! Sayang naman, Vince! Sayang pa rin, Vince! Wala pa rin, Vince! Sayang, Vince! Good!
Kinakabahan, no?
Last 2 minutes. Lamang ng isa ang kupunan nila JP.
Yeah.
Last 1 minute and 40 seconds.
What? What?
Rebound by JP Julio. Number 30. Shot clock. 20 seconds. Stolen. 12-13. Oh my. Sobrang gandang galaw. That good na convert. Rebound by Peña Florida. Back to Peña Florida. Again, drop. No good. Rebound number 7. Hugging the ball. Hugging the ball. Hugging the ball. There's a foul. Grabe. Sayang, hindi ka tumawa.
Defense!
Last 50 seconds!
Defense! Defense!
50 seconds!
Ilan ba lang ang wedges?
Isa lang, malamang! Stolen! Number 6! No good! JP stolen the ball! Last 30 seconds! Last 30
Sino
seconds!
lamang?
Kupunan nila JP. Last 30 seconds. Stop time. Ini stop time namin. Last 30 seconds.
Ito sila lamang yan.
Open, number 18. clock. Last 15 seconds. Last 10 seconds. 5 stolen. 12. Last 10 seconds. Kanino bola? Turning 12, the mga tukulan nila GP. They need to stop the offensive team in order for them to advance in championship.
Yeah.
10, 9,
Hey.
7, 6, 5, 4. Foul, there's a foul. Last 3 seconds. 5 seconds, not 5 seconds.
No.
5 seconds. Last, they need to stop. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game